What's up, everybody? It's Taikina Beauty. We're here with a slick high bun hair tutorial. I think this was really good for the festivities going on this week. So what you'll need is that man brush, a spray bottle if your hair is natural, some gel, 2 hair bows, and we're gonna get into it. So first things first, I'm going to spray my hair because again, curly hair likes to be wet. And we're gonna brush that hair back until we get it sleek enough. But while we're sleeking it back, we're gonna spray water onto it. You can use oil spray too as well, conditioning spray, anything that has like moisture to it. Now we're going in with Ecostyle gel. This is like my absolute favorite gel. I even like it for my baby hairs, but it's not organic. You guys, link your girl to a good organic gel. I'm not crazy about organic gels. I have yet to find one that doesn't dry my hair out and just does not do what it's supposed to make it do. Now we're gonna do the pre-pony, and we're just going to brush it back, and we're gonna eye it to see how high the bun is and if we like it. I always like to do like a high check before I actually wrap the pony into my bun, into my hair. But so yeah, that's what I'm doing now. I have so much hair, not enough time. So now we're actually going to put it in a ponytail, and I usually wrap it around 3 times. I always pull it out, but it wasn't trying to wrap. So I always do this part to make sure the pony is okay. I kind of twist my hair and then check to see if it's high enough and it looks good. Then I check again. Then this is the part where I'm gonna do my hair. I like to do this because I don't like walking around with a wet bun, especially if I'm going outside. Not a good feeling or look, so I always do my hair when it's in the ponytail. I'm using my least favorite leave-in conditioner. This is a brand from Target. I will link them down there if you want to try it, but I don't really care for it. I always like to use products I don't like when I'm doing buns because you can't see my hair texture, so it's okay. It doesn't even matter just as long as it's getting moisturized. So now once we have the hair conditioned and moisturized, we are going to wrap it up. But of course, before we do that, we need to make sure the hair is combed. No tangles, no bumps. We don't want bumps. And I notice if you have a lot of hair, this will help to make your bun look as small as possible. I'm not crazy about big, messy buns unless if I'm just lounging around being lazy. I love a good, sleek bun. I just think it looks really cute. So this is me trying to harm myself and wrap the ponytail holder around my hair 3 times. And it's such a workout. I feel like I have muscles now from doing that. Please pull it because you want that ponytail to be as tight as possible. We don't want any bumps or lumps. Then I'm going to attempt to twist it. Then once we twist it and it looks like what we like, I like the way it looked, we're going to secure it with another ponytail holder. I actually broke my ponytail in the video. That second one. All right. Yeah, I'm trying to wrap it around like for a second time because if I wrap it just once, it's not going to stay. All right, now once we have that, we're going to take a bobby pin. I love bobby pins to secure everything. And we're just going to secure the flyaways and the pieces of hair that are sticking out in that bun. And I use a bobby pin too as well to make my bun look smaller. And I like to use bobby pins to shape the bun to make it look more round. And then we're gonna brush my hair. I use a cleansing shampoo and a cleansing leave-in conditioner. And please don't do that if you have curly hair, because it dried my hair out. That's why my hair looks very frizzy and staticky, because I use basically 2 shampoos on top of my head, and I should never done that. But I learned my lesson. I had to redo my bun because I didn't like the way it looked. So I just went back in and combed it out a little bit more, and then now I'm just taking that ponytail and then wrapping it around it twice. If this ponytail holder was bigger, I would do it 3 times, but girl, it's gonna pop, so we're not gonna do that. Now we're wrapping it around. See, I'm having like such a hard time. I just don't like big buns. I don't know why. I like big buns, but not in hair. I just don't like the way it looks. Not on my small head. I don't know. Leave me alone. But I'm kidding, guys. But so yeah, we're just gonna go in with that bobby pin, and I'm just gonna shape it with those bobby pins. And there we go. I like the way it looks. I'm gonna fix that in the back, those little flyaways. But we're gonna use more bobby pins. Because it's definitely what it needs. Yeah, now it's looking like what I want. Now it's the baby hair time, my favorite time. I always start off with my sideburns, but I'm gonna start at the midsection. My baby hairs are looking bald-headed right now. I usually do this with my hand. So in the front of my hair, I have baby hairs that are almost full grown. They almost have their own house and kids. So just because you have kids does not mean you're grown. But Ty, stop. But I'm just gonna wrap that around in like a swirly. Yeah. And I'm just gonna play with my baby hair on the side. I do have trouble like using a baby hair brush because I'm so used to just using my fingers. But with this, I'm just gonna swoop it around, and then I'm gonna brush back my flyaways. I use the Ecostyle applesauce edge control gel just to help that, and it's looking better. Yeah, so now we're just gonna go back and brush those sideburns and that little baby hair. That one's so cute. Then this one, because it wants to be grown, I just have to swoop it so many times. I just don't want it to look like an old man slick over. So I do twist it and try to hold it in place as I'm brushing it. It's so hard to explain like how to do baby hairs, which is weird because it's easy at the same time, but that's what I do. I just hold it in place to where I want it to be and just slick it back or around. Wow, you guys, my baby hairs are looking bald-headed on camera. So yeah, we're just gonna keep brushing that until I get the desired. So then I just got tired and I pulled it apart. I was like, okay, maybe this is too bunched together, so we're gonna separate them. And so I'm just gonna use my finger at this point and then just shape the baby hair where I want it to go. I like the little curl, the little swirly baby hairs. Those are my favorite. So we're gonna do that, and I like the way it looks. So we're gonna leave that one alone and then just kind of shape that one to follow after the main one. And there we go. I like it. So there we have it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe if you like this video. And I'll see you guys next time in a new video. Bye, you guys.